What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carvin Sherrod, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be doing a POV drive with the muffler delete and a vibrant resonator. I haven't did this in about a year. The last video came out, so I wanted to make a new one. So let's go ahead and start the car. It's not a cold start because, you know, I already drove it, but let's go ahead and get into the video, man. No talking. I'm not gonna lie, like, if you guys are interested in getting a vibrant resonator muffler delete, it is pretty loud. It's not as loud as the resonator delete and muffler delete. It's not that loud, but it is loud. But it does sound good though. Like, if you're looking to get something that, you know, sounds good, that you don't want to spend a heck of money, I suggest you get the vibrant resonator and muffler delete. Sound good. Woo. This thing sound good, man. I'm not gonna lie. I love this vibrant resonator and muffler delete. I love the little setup. I also had this on my G35 as well. Let's make sure the camera's still in there. Perfect. Sound good. Oh my gosh, this thing sounds so good. I'm gonna lie. Let's make sure the GoPro's still on. We good. Trying to tell y'all, man, go ahead and get you one, man. Go get you a vibrant resonator if you haven't already got one. It sounds so good. It sounds way better in person. The video doesn't do it no justice. How the way this car sounds way better in person. So just know that it sounds way better in person. Infiniti G37, man. This car is hecka fun to drive. I ain't gonna lie, this car is so fun to drive. But yeah, like I said, I didn't want to make this video too long. Just wanted to show you guys how the way this sounds. I haven't made a video like this in a year, so I just wanted to give it, you know, a little update video or just a newer video how the way it sounds. So to me, I think it sounds a little bit different than it sounded before. I don't know, it just sounds really good. I'm not gonna lie, like especially like at night when it's like no traffic out and you're like the only car on the street. Oh my gosh, it sounds so good, but it's loud. I would honestly say if you don't have money to get like a $2,000 exhaust or something like that, definitely go ahead and buy this vibrant resonator and get you a muffler delete. I promise you it sounds good. The video doesn't do it no justice. It sounds really good. I guarantee you guys are gonna like it. I will always suggest you go ahead and buy this. It's perfect. Woo! Sounds so good, man. Sounds so good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like right now. I say this in all my videos, but I am trying to get 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and you guys can help me out extremely by just liking, subscribing. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet and you watch all my videos, you might as well go ahead and subscribe and join the family. I make extremely lit content, as you guys can see. A lot more content is coming in the future, a lot more. So you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, really trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I want to post more. That all comes down to you guys. If you guys continue to show your support, and for the people who do show your support, I definitely appreciate you. Thank you so much. But I really want to get to 10,000 subscribers. I can't stress that enough. I feel like it's time. I've been putting in the work. I've been doing this for almost 3 years. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, like the videos, all of that. Comment, let me know in the comments, do you guys have this set up already that I put you on? Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.